So hello guys, how are you all? So guys, the bee dungeon is still live. You can though play the bee dungeon. It is not removed yet. So the best way to make tokens, as I had said in the live stream, we'll make the video on it, is currently to do the bee dungeon. From the bee dungeon you will get the hive egg. From the hive egg there is very less chance to get the empress bee, but all the bees in that egg are very useful, so you can sell all the bees at all at one token, or one token profit, I would say 2 token profit, 5 token profit. And if you get your hands on the empress bee, then so you can sell it for 30 to 50 tokens each, so that would be a banger. So that's how I am making tokens right now. Don't focus on the harvest event, it's kinda trash. The update is coming this Saturday. Wait for today night or Sunday night. I mean Saturday night, because it's kind of that 12:30 it will end, so it will start at 11:30 according to my time area. So try not to invest too much on the harvest event, rather than though for the bee event or the bee swarm event, so that you can get more of more of the eggs, more of the things, more of the stuff, so that you can prepare for the upcoming update. And I will also share the the sneak peek of the way to get the eggs. There will be a clam NPC that I cannot show right now. So that clam NPC will basically give you eggs, and there will be 2 new pets that I will show. I will attach a image of them right here, so you can go through them, the percentage of getting them. Big shout out to Snack Nation for leaking these leaks, and for sure you should join the server. It's a pretty good server, it's a friendly server. So the problem here is that the bee event can end anytime. As I said, the bee event can end anytime, so there is no fixed time for this event. It can end at any moment, so it's better to get all the tasks and wind up as fast as you can, because I think once the harvest event ends, I think they will also end the bee event, because it's been going for a long, it's before the campfire event, and it's just after the Easter event. So we are at the second update, so they might not keep this bee event for much longer. The main point of keeping it for much longer, because you can see people like me are unable to do the whole dungeon solo. So that is the biggest problem, like people are not getting the new divine seed. So if they are even forming teams, it's still hard for them to do the dungeon at all. They mostly die on the level 50 or wave 50 or wave 60 70, and they are like kind of broke, so they are not having much good bees. They die pretty, you can see I got a hive edge just now. So like that you can see we are getting hive edge, but at a low quantity. They basically buffed the chests that gives more honey and more royal jelly instead of hive edge, so that the economy can be stable. But if you grind enough, because you can ignite the portal every 10 minutes, so basically you can grind like unlimited times. So I would suggest that, but do not focus right now on the harvest event, rather go for the bee event. Okay, so I just died. Okay, thank you guys for all the support, and stay tuned. Peace out, guys.